young artist has sold 10 paintings. The first 2 were sold for $50 and for $350. What are the mean and median for the sample? I'm going to start by finding our mean. Our mean, sometimes called the average, can be found by dividing the sum of all of our values by the number of values. So for our sum, what that means is I'm going to add 50 plus 350. Actually, you know what? Let's move this beneath it. So I'm going to do 50 plus 350 divided by the number of values in our sample. There's only 2 values, those 2 numbers right there. So my mean is going to be equal to 400, because 350 plus 50 is 400, divided by 2. When I divide 400 by 2, then I know that my mean is equal to 200. So the mean price paid is $200. When I want to find my median, what I'm finding is the physical center of all of the numbers in my sample. There are only 2 numbers in the sample, so the physical center is in between 50 and 350. The physical center is going to be exactly in the middle of those 2. If this had more numbers in our sample, and we'll see an example like that later, then we would have to do something different. But because there's only these 2 numbers in our sample, our median is actually going to be the exact same as our mean. If there's an even number in the sample, you go to those 2 middle numbers and you find the middle point here by adding them together and then finding the middle space in between them. We've already done this math, so we know that it's going to be equal to 200. So for this particular problem, the mean and the median are both $200.